What's up guys, welcome back to Bryan Kolang series, and now we're back in Aceh again, but today we're gonna go to Langsa. Yes, I'm sorry this video doesn't have the voice footage because I don't know why the system doesn't work, so it's my fault, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're gonna go to Langsa. It's gonna be super duper excited because we're gonna learn a lot of things from the locals, especially the food and the legendary Mie Aceh. So stay tuned till the end if you want to learn how to make the bumbu, the noodle, and all stuff, and one another special menu that we're gonna learn. So let's go together. So this is what we're gonna try. Roti selai bersoaking. Amazing.
Amazing.
So as you can see, we've arrived and we're super tired. But yeah, so excited for tomorrow because we can learn a lot from Aziz's cousins. Uncle. Huh? Aziz's cousins.
My uncle.
Yeah, his uncle. Basically his family.
Yeah.
Can't wait to learn all the bumbu, the flavoring and everything to make the traditional Mie Aceh. So we can make it in Jakarta. Yeah. Right, I'm so out of it now. I'm just sleepy. I just want to sleep. Bye. So apparently guys, this is how they make the charcoal. This is the charcoal that is already done. Bakarnya pakai ini.
Ya, pakai ini bakarannya.
Oh, jadi ini dibakar.
Nah,
Jadi
apinya ini nanti dia kan ada celahnya lagi, baru sini keluar uapnya.
Oh.
Baru arangnya itu masak di dalam.
Jadi kayu dalam itu nggak kebakar sebenarnya.
Enggak.
Cuman dikeringin pelan,
ya.
Akhirnya jadi hitam, jadi kering gitu.
Nah, jadi kering.
Oh. It's basically like smoking meat.
Tekniknya.
They have like a firebox over here,
Kayak gini.
and then they burn it over here slowly,
Kayak gini ada.
and take the smoke, the heat, dry heat to the oven inside there, and all the wood is dried and kind of like burned to make the charcoal.
Prosesnya enggak dia ada sekitar pembakarannya lebih kurang 1 minggu.
Oh,
1 minggu? Iya.
one, what?
Ya. 1 minggu.
Jadi 1 minggu bakar terus, nggak berhenti. Wah, hebat.
Enggak boleh putus apinya nih.
After learning on the locals how to make the charcoal, we go straight buying our live mud crab and go straight back home to learn from the master, from scratch. And man, let me tell you, it's a lot of ingredients. I think it's around 20 different kind of spices. Coriander, cloves, fennel, cumin, shallot, garlic, candlenut, peanut, so many. You know what? I listed on the caption so you can see it for yourself. And all of that gonna go to the blender, make it smooth, and we're gonna cook it. Oh, this is the most important thing, kelapa gongseng. So what is kelapa gongseng? Kelapa gongseng is basically toasted coconut that we mashed it until all the oil comes out by itself. So it's already done. The bumbu is just reducing right now. Ta-da!
Yeah. So we have to wait till it's cooked around 40 minutes.
Yeah, more or less 40 minutes. All the knowledge come from here. Ta-da! As you can see, this is not only look delicious, this is also taste freaking delicious. Mantap. Here we go. Time to try. The bumbu is so packed with flavor. The texture is just amazing. Look at our face. We're always smiling and keep shoving it, and just amazing.
Itu nanti Adit buat sendiri.
What? Apa sih ini?
Caranya apa? Buat sendiri, jadi tahu
Caranya. Ayo.
We can do it.
We can do it.
G to the A to the S T E Y, girl, you're
sounds so loud, the blender is going on. So we're trying to recreate what we've learned before. And we'll give it to our master to taste whether it's good, whether it needs something or something like that. So, we'll see. So are you confident with your own bumbu?
I am actually confident. This, it has the same smell. So it has the same smell like the Mexican ash sauce that I made.
Oh, the mole?
Yeah, because of the fennel. Yeah, because of the fennel seeds. But yeah, I mean, I'm very confident with this.
We got the bumbu, we got the stock over there. Apparently, it looks like that we're going on the right direction. The color looks good, the consistency looks good, creamy, delicious, and the flavor, you'll hear it. The moment of truth. Oke, mari kita coba. Sejujur-jujurnya Pak.
Enak banget, enak.
Kurang apa kita mau tahu?
Man.
Kurang di mana Pak? Kurang apa?
Mungkin gulanya agak lebih ya.
Terlalu manis. Oke.
Iya, saya rasa ya. Udah imbang kan? Udah imbang lah. Cuman gulanya aja ya. Manis banget. Gulanya agak lebih.
Perlu belajar lagi? We did it.
Paten. Pokoknya ini Pak pelanggan dia tetap balik.
As you can see, we successfully completing the challenge of making our own Mie Aceh from scratch. Now we were taken by Aziz's uncle to explore beautiful national park in Langsa. We saw monkeys over there and beautiful forest, and just take a sip of a little bit of coconut, and then we just went home again and take a rest for the rest of the day. Good morning guys, so this morning we're learning to make, I don't know what's the name.
I also don't know what's the name. So basically this is wild plants.
Really? It's wild plants?
Yeah, it is wild plants. You can find it in the streets. If in Jakarta, you can find it in the streets, you can find it in the roads, sides of the roads. And turns out you can cook it.
So the stuff is like the one that I showed you before. And now it's being salted and being washed with salt. So yeah, the plants is that one. No, different, yeah.
Different one.
plant.
So this is they put salt on it, so we don't get that itchiness on our tongue. Yeah, because the what do you call that, getah? Sap. Yeah, the sap from the plant could actually give an itchy feeling in your tongue. So this is like how you will
To clean the sap.
to remove it.
Ini namanya apa Bu? Tadi Bu?
Kemuna.
Kemuna. So it's called kemuna. Kalau bahasa Acehnya apa Bu?
Kalau bahasa Acehnya pokok mak pelepuk senga.
Lapak senga.
Pelepuk senga.
Pelepek.
Pelepuk senga.
Pelepek senga. That's the name. After that, we go straight for breakfast. And because this is the last day in Langsa, we got a chance to learn another new menu, which is bebek masak putih, which means basically a duck that cooked in white bumbu. So let's make it! So right now we're learning another dish that's called bebek masak putih, which means duck being cooked in a white bumbu, which is that's the bumbu over there. Now it's being cooked. Wait until it's cooked, then we're gonna put the meat in. So it's kind of like opor in the same sense. Oh my god, I wish wish you guys can smell this because it's really delicious and beautiful. You can see from our face, and we eat like a lot, like it's just like lahap in Indonesia. Sadly, this is our last day already. We need to say goodbye to Aziz uncles, and they're really beautiful, really nice people, and thank you so much for the knowledge. Now we're gonna go to Medan, and stay tuned on the next episode because it's gonna be another food journey in Medan. Otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, muchas gracias, and see you in the next episode of Bryan Collab. Cheers!